So the next item is item number 5, 2 centimeter thick DPC, that means damp proof course, which has been applied at the plinth level. So as we have already discussed, DPC is always measured in square meter. Whenever there is all the three dimensions, length, breadth and height, the quantity will come in cubic meter. And when there will be only two dimensions, length or breadth or length or height, then it will come in square meter. DPC will always be measured in square meter. Okay. Now here we will be applying DPC only in the rooms, not in the verandas. Okay, because in the veranda there are no superstructure wall, so there are no superstructure walls which can be damaged by capillary action of water. So we will apply DPC wherever there is superstructure wall, and in this case their superstructure walls are present only in case of the rooms, not in verandas. So we will calculate this quantity for the rooms only. Okay, so again for the rooms long wall, number of long wall is 2. Length, how can we find out the length? Again, center to center length plus 1 breadth. Again, center to center length of the long wall for the rooms is 8 meter. And breadth, what is the breadth of DPC? There is a special note mentioned here. Breadth of the DPC will be same as the breadth of plinth wall. So what is the breadth of the plinth wall? This is the plinth wall. What is the breadth of the plinth wall? It is 0.5. So breadth of the DPC will also be 0.5. So in order to find out the length, what is the formula for the long wall? Center to center length of the long wall plus breadth of the item. Center to center length of the long wall is 8 meter. Breadth of the DPC is 0.5. So ultimately length is 8.5. So under the length we will write 8.5. Breadth is 0.5. So 8.5 into 0.5 is your quantity. Just like that for the short wall. Number of short walls for the rooms is 3. How can we find out the length of short wall? Center to center length of short wall minus the breadth of the DPC. Center to center length of the short wall is 4.25. Breadth of the DPC is 0.5. So center to center length minus 1 breadth. 4.25 is the center to center length of short wall. 0.5 is the breadth of DPC. 3.75 is the length. So number of short wall is 3, 3.75 is the length, and 0.5 is the breadth of DPC. So number into length into breadth is 5.625 square meter. That is the quantity. Now we'll have to deduct few quantities wherever there are doors. Just 1 second. Wherever there are doors, in these door positions there will be no DPC. So we'll deduct the value of DPC for these two doors. And what is the size of the door? Again 1.2 by 2.1, and number of doors is 2. So doors is we will have to deduct. Number of doors is 2. Size of the door. What is the size of the door? This is 1.2 by 2.1, as I have already mentioned. This is 1.2. And what is 2.1? 2.1 will be the height of the door. The height of the door will not be visible from in this plane. In this plane, the breadth will only be visible. This is 1.2. This is 1.2. Okay. The breadth of the door is 1.2, and in this 1.2 portion, there will be no DPC. So we'll have to deduct this 1.2 portion from the total DPC quantity. So total number of doors is 2, length is 1.2, and breadth will be same as the DPC item, it is 0.5. So 2 into 1.2 into 0.5 is the 1.2 quantity, 1.2 square meter quantity that we'll have to deduct from these two. So this plus this minus 2 minus this is the total quantity of DPC.